Hey guys, I wanted to tell you before the video started is I am making cauliflower fried rice. I should have said fried, but I kept saying cauliflower rice, but I had already cooked it all and I didn't want to start all over. So I just wanted to just tell you that it's cauliflower fried rice, not just cauliflower rice. So thank you. Hey guys, it's Judy. How are you? Long time no see. I thought I would jump back on here and share a couple of recipes for you. And today is cauliflower day. I've had a few people ask me how to make cauliflower rice and cauliflower potato salad. So my first recipe is going to be the cauliflower rice, and I'm actually going to have it for dinner tonight. So I'm going to prepare it and then we're going to eat it. So let me show you the ingredients and we'll get moving. So cauliflower rice cannot be any easier. You're gonna need some cauliflower that was riced. You can buy it in the grocery store. Some of them have them already done for you in the produce section, or you can buy it frozen. I particularly don't like the frozen because I just think it has a funny taste. So I just do it myself, but if you don't have a food processor, just buy it already done for you. A little salt and pepper, and a little bit of gluten-free soy sauce with a little bit of sesame oil, scrambled egg, and I'm going to throw in these vegetables, frozen carrots and peas. You can put anything you want in this recipe. You could put little chunks of pineapple, could be a pineapple fried rice, and I'm going to use some garlic paste. So let's go over to the frying pan, and we're going to put this together, and literally it will come together very quickly. Just got to saute this cauliflower just to get all the steam out. Okay, so we want to spray this pan really good. I have sprayed it a little bit already. And now we're just going to put in the riced cauliflower. Okay, this is a whole head that I riced up. So we want to get a little bit of that moisture out. So we're going to let that do its thing. Okay, put the heat up a little bit more. Let's get that moisture out. You want to make sure that the moisture is out and that the cauliflower is cooked. So we're going to let this go back and forth and get all that softened up a little bit. At this point, I have the pan on high and I'm just moving it around, and it's definitely softening up. So I could probably work in my other ingredients now, okay? So, I'm gonna put in a little salt, a little pepper, and my garlic. Salt, pepper, you know, it's to your taste. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna throw in my garlic, push that aside. Okay, I really like this garlic paste. Just gonna push that aside. Again, it's your world. Do what you want, as much garlic as you want, the other spices that you like. Okay, now at this point I'm gonna put in the frozen carrots and peas because of course they were frozen. So I want to get those cooked all together. Once the carrots and the peas are cooked through, they're going to continue cooking too. I'm going to throw in the sesame oil. I put a teaspoon of sesame oil because you don't want too much, and I put in 2 tablespoons of gluten-free soy sauce. Now I'm just going to start with this, and if you want more, then you can add more. So easy, fairly fast. If you buy it pre-made, if you buy the cauliflower already riced, even faster for you. And how can you go wrong? Frozen vegetables, already riced cauliflower, you know, I mean, a few spices, you're done. It's so good, and you got to test it to make sure that there's enough flavor in there. So I'm going to do that. Maybe a little bit more soy sauce. I'm going to see how it goes after. Okay, so you keep doing this until it's done. And then right in the middle here, I'm going to spray a little bit more. Right in the middle here is where you drop your 2 beaten eggs. And if you like a lot of eggs, do 3, do 4. It's up to you. This is just the idea of how to do it. And I'm telling you, I think I've been cooking, what, 7-8 minutes or something like that. So you get this all fried up, scramble it up. Once the egg is completely cooked, you're gonna mix it all in there. Now, after the egg is cooked, you can add already cooked chicken to this and make it a chicken fried rice. Add steak for steak fried rice, pork, whatever. You get the idea. We're gonna keep this vegetarian or just vegetables, and yeah, that's what you can do. Look at this. Guys, come on. You can't beat it. Once the egg is done, you just toss it around. I still got the heat on high. I'm going to put it down. If you want to keep it like this, keep it like this, and then people can put a little bit more of their own soy sauce in there, or whatever salt or pepper you want. The soy sauce has salt in it already, so you don't want to go too overboard. But guys, that's it. You can do that. Now, a lot of times I'll use onions or scallions, but I did not do that for this recipe. But please put whatever you want in there for vegetables, red peppers, green peppers, whatever you want. I mean, you get the idea. And that is done, my friends. Completely done. Look how beautiful that is. It's so good and it's so healthy. You guys gotta try it. My next video will be the cauliflower faux potato salad, and that is just as easy. I'm all about simple cooking, simple cooking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you try it. I definitely need onions in here, so I'm gonna put onions in next time, but you can't beat it. Whole bowl, delicious. See you later.